Why is ear cleaning so popular in Vietnam? Ear cleaning is a big business in Vietnam. Almost every corner barbershop and beauty salon in Vietnam offers the service, and it's not rare to see men include a lengthy ear clean each time they go get a trim. Ear cleaning may sound like an odd personal service to outsiders, but in Vietnam, it is a thriving business with a long cultural tradition. Some people enjoy the sensation of ear cleaning so much, they describe them as eargasms. Ear cleaning has been practiced for centuries in Vietnam, tracing its roots back to traditional Eastern medicine concepts about promoting energy flow and balance in the body. Removing excessive earwax was seen as crucial for good hearing, as well as overall well-being according to these ancient beliefs. Known as ráy tai, which literally translates to earwax, the practice involves using various tools like a tiny razor to shave hairs from your outer ear, a miniature shovel-like tool to scoop out wax, and a feather-tipped tool that is swirled inside the ear to clear out any remaining remnants of earwax. Although both men and women do this job, the majority of the people that perform the service are women. The price of an ear cleaning usually ranges from 50,000 to 100,000 VND per session. Each session usually lasts between 15 to 30 minutes. For many Vietnamese, getting regular ear cleanings is an integral part of personal hygiene. However, some medical experts warn that improper or excessive ear cleaning can potentially lead to injuries like ruptured eardrum and infections. Did you find this video interesting? Follow EXO Tours to learn more about Vietnamese culture.